Hi guys, welcome back to the Paragems Decoder. In last session we have seen the Iteratives Python part 1. In that part 1 we have discussed about the for loops. Now in this part 2 we are going to discuss the while loops. So if you want to execute a group of statement iteratively, understand this, when we want to execute a group of statements iteratively one by one until some condition false, okay, until some condition false, then we use the while loop. So let's see what is the syntax of the while loops. See here, first we write the while, then we write the condition inside the while, semicolon, sorry, colon, and then we write the body. This is the syntax for the while loop. So here we have keep one example for the discussion. Suppose you have to print the number from 1 to 10 by using while loop. So how you will print? So let's see how we can print. As per our discussion, I said while loop starts from the while like this. We put the condition like this. Then we give the colon like this. See, while, then our condition, then we give the colon. Then inside this, we jump into the body. Inside body here we given the print x. Okay, then we started at the initial stage x is equal to 1. Here we increment that x with 1. How? Like x is equals to x plus 1 in this way. Means it should be between 1 to 10, right? So we have given this condition while x is less than equal to 10. Here we start from the 1. So as soon as we will enter inside this loop from here below, what we will get? When we hit here, we will get x is equal to 1. After hitting this, when we pass to the next line, line number 8, here what will happen? We have increased that x, which is 1, is equal to x plus 1. So this x will become 2 and this x will become 2 and again come back to the while loop here. Okay, and then at the second position it will print 2. Then this 2 will become 2 plus 1 3. Then again this will jump here, means that it jump here, and here again for loop will start. Okay, in this body, after this colon, this body starts as per our syntax. So here suppose we put here 3. What will happen? Just run the program. We will run this with keeping the 3. See, we got the 3 numbers printed here, 1 2 3. One thing, or we will give here, see, suppose we will give 5 here, what will happen? Let's see. And 10 here. See, we change here 5 while x is less than equal to, see, follow this, x is less than equal to 10 colon, okay, and inside body we have given print x, and this is the increment by 1. Let's see what happens. So we got here numbers from 5 to 10. Okay, so in this way we can use the while loop. Let's see another example. Infinite loop. Inside while loop, when we give the true condition, that is called as the infinite loop. Means the infinite loop gets started. You can see here I have written the warning. What is the warning? If the system configuration are low, program can stuck into the loop. Okay, so this is the infinite loop. We will see how it works. Suppose I will comment out all these statements. Okay, and this is the program for the infinite loop. I comment out this line. Okay, and from this second, fourth, next line, we will start the program. See here, I is equal to 0. Okay, we have given the condition I is equal to 0 while true, and then colon. Then we jump inside the body. Here I is equal to, we give the increment of 1. I is equal to 1 plus. Okay, then what will happen? If we print this hello I, this will start till there is no end. It will go to the millions billions numbers, and there is a chance your system will stuck into this loop. So don't try to run this loop, please. If you want to try this, you can just give here any condition like as we seen before, and then print it. Suppose in while condition we will give I is equal to 0, I is less than, suppose 50. So what will happen? This will start running from 0 to 50, 49 actually, and we will run this print hello I. Okay, so let's see what has happened. See, we got result hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 up to the 50. Okay, and if you will not put condition like this up to 50, and if you will write here only true, then this will goes unlimited times. It can be go to the infinity time. We can say that infinite loop. Okay, so don't try this infinite loop. Don't run this code with infinite loop. Just maybe there is the chance your system will get hang. To display the sum of first n numbers. What? Sum of first n numbers means whatever the first n numbers you want. It may be 2, 3, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so here is small code we have written. I will show it line by line. See, first we have here initiated the variable n is equal to int. We have discussed this in previous lectures of the how the int is working. Int of, we have given here parenthesis, inside int function we have given the input. Okay, see, is equal to int. Inside int we have given the function input. Inside input we have given the instruction. See, instruction, enter the number. Sum is equal to, we initiated the 0. Then I is equal to, we assign 1. Now we will run the while loop here. What we have done here, while I is less than equal to n, I is less than equal to n. After that we have given here sum increment by 1. After that I is equal to I plus 1. We increment here sum by the 1, sorry, I, and then I with the increment of 1. Then we write here print statement. Inside print statement we have written this string. You can see inside the double quotations. Okay, this is the string inside double quotations. Then we give comma and give the sum here. So whatever sum, this sum will get here. Whatever the n, this incremented, this value of n which is we have given here, that will come here, and we get the print statement. Okay, so just run, and we can see here one output is came which I have run previously. Let's clear this output and we will run new line. Restart. Restart and clear output. So we will clear here output. See, now I will run this program. So here come the enter the number. From where? From this n is equal to input, we got the enter the number. So suppose we have to find out the sum of first n numbers. Suppose some example we will take the 10 numbers. So we will write 10, press enter. So we got our program here with output. The sum of first 10 numbers is 55. Means the sum of first this comma n, this, because we want to find out the 10 numbers sum. Number is like this, and then this sum 55. This is our answer of this program. Okay, after the while loop, this is the condition, this is the colon. After that colon, this is the body of the while loop. Okay, and then we have given the print whatever the final answers we wanted as per our requirement. Let's run this again. Suppose now I have to find out the addition of 100 numbers. I put here 100, press enter, and we got here output. Write a program to enter the correct name, that is Parag. So we simply write here empty string. The variable we created, name is equal to empty string. Okay, this string is empty. See, there is no space. These are the spaces. See, and now this is empty string. Okay, now we will start here our syntax. While name, our condition is not equal to, okay, Parag. We have given this is defined, means inside the quotations. See, then our colon, after that colon, body starts. See, this is the body of the program. What is the body here? Our name variable is equal to, we have given here input, enter the name. After that, what will happen? It will ask for the name. Then we will enter the name. Then it will check if name is equal to Parag or not. If that name is equal to Parag, then what will happen? This will jump into this print statement and we will get this print. Suppose our name mentioned in input is not Parag, then what will happen? This will go to the else condition and then this will print the not correct. Okay, this is the simple program we have designed here for the sake of understanding of the while loop. Let's run this program. Run. So here we will put some name, ASDF, enter. So it is giving us not correct. What we want, it is Parag or not. Okay, ASDF is not Parag, so we are getting not correct. Again we will enter. This program will run till it is not getting the correct answer parag. Suppose we will write PAR, enter. See, again this is showing not correct. Okay, until this is getting the correct parag, this will not say thanks for confirmation. Now we will give this parag, PARAG, enter. Wow, our program is running successfully. This is giving the thanks for confirmation. And in this way, we successfully used here the while loop. If you are not understanding till now, please go back and practice again and again. These are the very simple programs. After the practicing more and more, you will get understood how these while loops are working with the different conditions. Write something here now. Suppose while we will give condition I is less than 10. Okay, this is the condition. Suppose what will this condition give? This will condition run till the value of I is less than 10. Okay, less than 10. Inside body, what we will write? We will give some statement. Print high. Okay, this many time till the number of I is less than 10. Here, what we will do? I is equal to I plus 1. This is the we have given increment, and we will need to initiate I with the any value. So I is equals to 0. Let's run this. See, we got high this many times. Just give here comma I. So this will show us the number. Inside print statement, we will also give the I. See, so from 0, this 0 to 10, we got this high. I hope you are now clearly understood the while loop, how it is working. This is the very important loop with the for loop also. While loop is also majorly used in programming. Please practice this more and more time so you will get the mastery into the while loop. Till now, thanks for watching this lecture on while loop. Try to practice the iteratives for different problem statements and try to practice again and again these lectures so you will get the complete understanding. Keep learning, keep watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.